A chilly start to the day as residents woke up to temperatures below zero. The hardest hit were the homeless and those in informal settlements.
Since this morning, it's been very cold. We couldn't work properly. We even made fire.
For many, the only heating device, an open fire, paraffin stoves or candles. But these can also be dangerous. Last night, 40 shacks caught fire in Alexandra and Soweto. Emergency services are on high alert to ensure resident safety.
The message is that we advise them not to leave those items, leave them unattended, because right now we have got young kids who are at home, school holidays. Yeah. They might be tempted to play around next to these heating devices.
Barely a month ago, shacks here were razed to the ground. As icy weather persists, residents here are fearful.
We are very scared. We just finished renovating. It happens every year.
In the Eastern Cape, the first snow of winter is already melting away, but the freezing temperatures remain.
Almost haven't seen the snow. Now we're excited and we're enjoying ourselves. Everybody come to Augsburg!
Very cold and it's nice. After a long time we're having snow and it's very exciting to play in the snow. We make a lot of things out of snow.
The White Wonderland also holds danger. Stock farmers fear the freezing temperatures. With the chill expected to stay for a while, a message of caution to keep an eye on heating devices as you try and stay warm. Hasina Gori, SABC News, Johannesburg.